Hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna be unboxing the Balenciaga track shoe, the gray one. Here's the label. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so unboxing, we got the beautiful shoe right here. As you can see, here, I'll move this to the side. So here's the shoe, so you can see. Alright, so this is a side view. This Balenciaga logo reflects in like light and stuff. And it's just got a pretty nice design like this. And it's got like some mesh over here, some material like that. Yeah, there's kind of a lot going on with this shoe, but I kind of like it a lot. Okay, so moving on to the back, we just got the track, and then this is an LED strip where you can light it up with the press of this button, and then it comes with this little like pull tag thing, and then you press this button to light it up. So you just press it, boom. First color is red, pretty nice color. Then it's blue, then green, then like pink, purple thing. And this is my favorite color. It's like teal. Then we got like yellowish, and then it's just white, and then flashing white, and then it just alternates, between every color. Same with this setting, and same with this setting. They're basically, the last three are basically all the same, but yeah. And then it just turns it off after that. So on the tongue, we got the Balenciaga branding. And then these laces are like really complex, so don't ever try to unlace these shoes. I just put them on right away. I cannot bother unlacing all of these. This is so complex. And then here, it just says contact your airline/railroad line service before traveling, and it also has the Balenciaga thing. I think it says this because the shoe comes with a battery, and it's pretty unusual for a shoe to have a battery in it. So yeah, it's the other side. It looks kind of different. It's got like the kind of reflecting thing, just like the other side, but without the Balenciaga logo. And it's got like this type of material, I guess. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, this is probably one of my favorite shoes. Also, it has the double B Balenciaga thing, and it's got your EU size 42 for me, right here, which is size 9 US, if you could see that. So on the bottom, it's pretty nice at the bottom, I would say. So you got like all this grip. You could wear this for like forever because of how thick the sole is. And yeah, and it's got Balenciaga wording right here. And yeah, that's it. It's also the same for this shoe. Like, not really much of a difference, but yeah. So let's move on to the box now. Let's see what you get in the box. Alright, so opening the box, we got, first up, this Balenciaga card. Just shows it has like a USB cable, because, oh yeah, I also forgot to show you guys really quick. Since it does have a battery, you actually have to charge the shoe. So there's like a little USB port right there. You just like open it like this. Yeah, pretty crazy to charge a shoe, but it's worth it because this shoe looks so nice. So yeah, it just tells you like all the color stuff. This, nothing on the back. Next up, you got the typical Balenciaga tag thing that comes with every single Balenciaga shoe. It's nothing really special, but yeah. Next up, you got this Balenciaga dust bag, and when you open it up, you actually get the charging cable. So this is how the cable looks like. It's just USB with two things, and they both end up into this like micro USB cable, and you just plug it into the back of both your shoes. And yeah, pretty simple, but yeah. Also, you get two extra laces. Pretty cool, but it already comes with like 2 laces on the shoe. This is 2 laces. I put one of them under because like I only want 1 knot because I feel like 2 knots would look weird. But yeah, it already comes with 2. So basically you get 8 shoelaces of these, including the ones on the shoe, which is kind of crazy, but yeah. Then you get the typical Balenciaga like dust bag, big one. You could wear this anywhere, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep it in the box because yeah. But yeah guys, that's it for the shoes. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe if you guys liked the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.